Hi everyone, this is Megan Von Sell, your cancer expert, and I'm the owner and CEO of Cancer Peace University, where it is our goal to set you free from the fear of cancer. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a hidden cancer-causing agent in our culture that we need to become aware of. Recently, I was eating at a cafe that I don't normally eat at, and I decided to order a vegan burger in order to avoid conventionally farmed beef products. However, I later found out that this vegan burger was a genetically modified burger called the Impossible Burger. And I later went to my favorite brunch spot that serves sustainable organic forms of animal protein and found the Impossible Burger on their menu as well. I became very concerned and wanted to share more about genetically modified organisms and cancer. Genetic modification uses the DNA of other animals, plants, insects, and bacteria to change the genetic structure of an organic plant or animal. Many times it's for the purpose of prolonging the shelf life of organic plants and animals, also to change its capacity to handle distribution and shipping issues. However, genetically modified organisms has been a controversial topic for many years. Europe completely banned genetically modified organisms since 1999. Russia and China have partially banned genetically modified organisms, China stating that they do not want their laborers to become sick from genetically modified organisms. And many countries in Africa have also banned the use of genetically modified organisms. I'll give you an example from a genetically modified tomato of the purpose of some of these gene modifications. A genetically modified tomato is given the DNA of a salmon in order to prevent it from freezing in the winter months. Also, the DNA of pig is used in a genetically modified tomato to cause the peel of the tomato to become thicker to prevent bruising. Other genetically modified organisms added to the genetically modified tomato help it to ripen slower so that it has a longer capacity during the handling, shipping, and distribution of a genetically modified tomato. There are several health concerns with genetically modified organisms. The first one is severe nutritional deficiencies. There have been severe nutritional deficiencies linked with a cancer diagnosis, including mineral deficiencies. And animals on conventional farms fed genetically modified corn and soy are typically found to have severe nutritional deficiencies that can lead to certain diseases and even death of the livestock. Those same nutritional deficiencies can be found within humans who consume genetically modified organisms or livestock that have consumed genetically modified organisms. The second major concern is the immune system. Genetically modified organisms has a negative impact on the immune system. The immune system is confused by genetically modified foods and is unable to recognize genetically modified organisms as food. Thus, the immune system will treat it as a foreign invader, create antibodies, and the body will develop severe food sensitivities or allergies to these genetically modified foods. This depletes the resources of the immune system and can lead the immune system to eventually go into a state of anergy, which is the non-reactivity of the immune system that is characteristic of many people diagnosed with cancer. The third nutritional concern is the factor in Roundup Ready genes and glyphosate. Roundup Ready is an herbicide that contains glyphosate, and genetically modified plants are given the Roundup Ready genes to allow the genetically modified plant to be resistant to the herbicide. However, the glyphosate in Roundup Ready can cause severe leaky gut, and the Roundup Ready actually causes insects to have severe leaky gut, leading to the death of insects from leaky gut. Animals who have consumed Roundup Ready in genetically modified plants also have had severe leaky gut and has also died from severe leaky gut, which begs the question of humans also developing severe leaky gut from the consumption of Roundup Ready genes and glyphosate in our culture. In the Journal of Organic Systems by Swanson, there have been studies that have correlated 22 different diseases to genetically modified organisms and glyphosate. And these diseases include hypertension, stroke, obesity, inflammatory bowel disease, and many different types of cancer, including leukemia, pancreatic cancer, liver cancer, kidney cancer, bladder cancer. And we need to be aware of these genetically modified organisms and what are the top GMO foods in America. Canola oil is 90% genetically modified. Also, corn is 88% genetically modified in America. Soy is 94% genetically modified. And we also see Hawaiian papaya being 95% genetically modified in America. And sugar beets are 95% genetically modified in America. Apples and potatoes are also genetically modified. And the newest foods that are becoming genetically modified include salmon, wheat, rice, and bananas. And companies do not have to label genetically modified organisms. Thus, we need to be more aware to avoid consuming genetically modified organisms that can confuse our immune system and lead to a state of anergy of the immune system, also leading to severe nutritional deficiencies and potentially severe leaky gut. If you're a holistic practitioner and you want to learn more about becoming a Cancer Peace University instructor, please send me an email at cancerpeaceuniversity@gmail.com or personal message me to set up a Zoom call about Cancer Peace University. My next full course is beginning in August 2019, and my next mini course begins in October of 2019. I would love to talk to you more about Cancer Peace University and what it would mean to become an instructor, an affiliate of Cancer Peace University, and an educator to set people free from the fear of cancer. The first person to reach out to me, I will send you a copy of my book, What is Cancer? And I look forward to connecting with you soon.